We've been talking about AI drafting emails and writing codes. But what if AI could actually do your daily grunt work for you while your laptop is closed? Today, Elon Musk's AI division is rolling out what they are calling a team of always-on digital co-workers. Getting you the details of the story right away, but first, viewers, you need to know why the tech circle cannot keep calm. And you might have guessed it right because Cypher 2026 is almost here and you can practically feel the excitement in the air. Join us this October at KTPO Bengaluru for India's largest AI summit. We are counting the days on our fingers and we just cannot wait to meet you there. With that being said, let's get back to the story. SpaceXAI, the newly expanded division following the massive $60 billion agreement to acquire AI coding startup Cursor, has officially launched Grok Bot. It is a new beta product that provides subscribers with persistent, autonomous AI agents that operate entirely on their own cloud computers to complete multi-step tasks across the software that you already use. Now, instead of just asking a chatbot a question and getting a text back, you delegate tasks to Grok Bot just like you would text a colleague. Because each bot has its own dedicated cloud environment, it can literally log into your websites, it can update your CRM with Sales Note, it can process invoices in Gmails. And because it does not rely on your local hardware, it keeps working even when you shut your laptop, only pinging your phone when a task is finished or if it needs a human judgment call. Now, SpaceX AI bypassed the clunky developer-heavy API integrations required by the older automations. If you want GrokBot to learn a specific office task, you just let it watch your screen while you do it once. It saves the routine and executives it perfectly the next time. You can even spin up multiple Grok bots to work in parallel, dropping them into a group chat where they will independently divide up the workload, assign ownership, and even collaborate to finish large operations. The AI industry is shifting to agent-driven digital labor. With this launch, SpaceX AI is directly challenging Anthropic's Claude Cowork and OpenAI's enterprise tools. It signals a massive pivot from AI acting as an assistant that helps you write to an independent workforce capable of navigating complex, messy desktop environments entirely on its own. This, in fact, is the first major joint product launched since XAI merged with Cursor, and it shows that they are moving pretty fast. By bundling Grok Bot into its high-tier subscriptions like Super Grok Heavy and Cursor Ultra, the company is proving that it can build serious enterprise-grade enterprise automation that goes far beyond its edgy, consumer-facing social media personas. Here, of course, ladies and gentlemen, is the front page take on the story. Elon Musk isn't just selling you an AI subscription anymore. He is essentially trying to sell you a digital employee that literally never sleeps. The question here I would like for you to answer is this. Are you ready to hand over your daily workflow to an autonomous Grok bot? Or does an AI navigating your private accounts while you sleep sound like a security nightmare? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.